Hey guys, what's up? This video is gonna have to be short because I'm running out of time and minutes on this phone. So I'm gonna have a short video today. Ain't gonna be able to get to my funny video today, but I will as soon as possible. I just want to talk about some things here. Okay, let's talk about schools and fidget spinners. Okay, at schools they're starting to ban fidget spinners from the middle and high school. Some countries are even banning fidget spinners. Gladly, America's not though, so we are good, all Americans. We can still have fidget spinners. But some of us, not so much at schools. I go to North Harrison, okay, guys? And they banned fidget spinners from the middle and high school. It's crazy, yo. It's crazy, guys. So I just want to warn you guys at your school. Be prepared if your fidget spinners are banned. And like at my school, they get taken away and they never come back to you. It's crazy. Like, for real, it's just crazy, yo, guys. But I know most of you guys have been to Cracker Barrel, and have you tried these mint things? Like, they are amazing. Like, how could you miss them? Here, I'll take one out for you. Hold on just a second. Yeah, they're freaking amazing. Like, oh. Best thing ever. Got to try them sometime. Amazing. Cracker Barrel is amazing. Golden Corral, oh, it's the best ever. Okay. And I want you guys to follow this YouTuber that I follow. His name is his channel is called Lips and Jimmy. Best YouTuber of all time. Okay. I mean, I'm not even gonna call myself the best. I have 3 subscribers? I mean, what the heck? Hey guys, soon I will be having a fidget spinner giveaway. So, what you need to do now is if you subscribe now, you have a chance of winning a free fidget spinner or fidget cube or whatever. Okay, subscribe now though. Like this video. Tell other people about it. Tell everybody else about it. But that is it for today. Don't.